Creators are born, not made. We provide a platform for such creators at SRAJAN College of Design and Animation. Here all creators have the opportunity to develop their creativity and have the freedom to turn their designs into masterpieces. We don't make designers, we make innovative designers. And for this, we provide the best lecturers who are the motivators and mentors of our students. They give 100% theoretical and practical lectures. They make academics more interactive and easy to understand. We also offer facilities like computer labs, studio, etc. SRAJAN College educates designers and animators from the basics of drawing, storyboarding, 2D animation and 3D animation and VFX. We provide everything you need to create great things. Along with academics, we provide students with the opportunity to familiarize themselves with the media industry through the various guest lectures and learn many facts and myths about the industry, so that the students can get the motivation and proper guidance to pursue their career. We don't just limit ourselves to a curriculum, we provide much more than that. They get the experience of handling camera. Here they do green screen shoots, portrait shoots and indoor and outdoor shoots. This helps our students to gain expertise in every field, because we are on a mission to help you become a creative artist.